Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is an oldie but goldie, and it features a band called the Mindbenders and a song called A Groovy Kind of Love, which was later redone by Phil Collins. Okay, but this is the original Mindbenders version. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the Mindbenders. Okay, so without more ado, I'm going to go through my take on the song now, break it down for you and show you exactly how I played it, and you should be good to go. My singing, as usual, is for reference only. Okay, here we go. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you, and I'm not so blue. When you're close to me, I can feel your heartbeat, I can feel you breathing in my ear. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of love. Anytime you want to, you can turn me on to. Anytime you want to, anytime at all. When I taste your lips, oh, I start to shiver, can't control the quiver inside. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of your arms, nothing seems to matter in the world of shadow. I don't care. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We've got a groovy kind of love. We've got a groovy kind of love. Half a cigar maybe. Right, let's get to it. So the introduction, playing an A chord, or sort of starting off with an A chord shape, okay, and I'm playing the third string on the second fret, okay, then an open second string, then I'm putting that pinky back down on that second fret of the B string, okay, got that? So then I'm moving that pinky up to the third fret of the B string, the second string, okay, so got that? It's just a little run. Then what I'm doing two sweeps, two strums on the A chord, emphasising the top E string if possible, that sort of thing, okay. Nice and easy, yeah. Okay, then we do it sort of backwards. We play the third fret of the B string with pinky down to the second fret, open second string, then that second fret of the third string again. So it's okay. So far we've got this. Okay, then we play two sweeps on a E chord. Okay, nice and easy. Just two single sweeps on the E chord. Then we play. Then we put our pinky on the second fret of the third string to make like a suspended E shape. Okay, but just play the single note. Then take the pinky off and play the first finger on the first fret of the third string, the G string. Okay. Okay. So far we've got this. Okay, and then finally we play a bit of a stretch, but I'm playing it with my pinky, the fourth fret of the D string. Okay, I mean if you can't do that, just move that finger up there to it. You need to play that single note 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string. Okay, so after you've come into the E, and then back to that 1st fret of the G string, and then a single A chord sweep strum. Okay, so let's do it slowly for you. Okay, got that? Then we go into the song, right? And it comes, so it's just as a single sweep on the A there. When I'm feeling, and then on blue we come in with the strumming on the A chord, okay? When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at A, U, then I'm not, so back to the E. Ooh. Okay? Let's get that one sorted. Let's go from the intro to that point, okay? From the intro then, slowly. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you, then I'm not so blue. When I'm close to, now when it goes to when you sorry, when you're close to me, on me it's a B minor, me, bar chord, 2nd fret bar, minor shape, B minor. If you can't manage the bar, then just play a simple B minor like that, just 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1. For 2nd fret, 1st string, top E string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret on the B string, 2nd string, and then 4th fret of the 3rd and 4th strings. If you can't do the bar, okay? Okay, so that comes into that when you're close to me, I can feel your up 2 frets to a C sharp minor chord, 4th fret bar. Again, if you can't play the bar, just play the B minor 2 frets up, starting on the 4th fret. 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. Okay, that's if you can't do the bar. Okay. So far then we've got, let's go from the beginning of the verse. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you, then I'm not so blue. When you're close to B minor, I can feel your heart beat, C sharp minor. I can hear your breathing is D. Breathing in my E is ear. Then it goes, wouldn't you agree? Baby, you and E got a groovy kind of A. Back to E. We've got a groovy kind of A, love. To E. 2nd verse, anytime you want to. Okay, so that last bit is just A to E, A to E, A to E sort of thing. Okay, so let's go from the beginning of the verse again. When I'm feeling blue, E, da da da, E, da 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 da, A, da 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 da, E, da 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 da, B minor, da da, C sharp minor, da 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 da, D, da 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 da, E, da 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 da, A. Wouldn't really be groovy kind of A. E, we've got a groovy kind of A. E. Next verse. Anytime you want to is exactly the same to play as the 1st verse. Okay. So let's just go for the 2nd verse then. A and E, anytime you want to, you can E want to, anytime you want to, anytime at all. When to B minor lips, you can tell me shiver, C sharp minor, D, da da da, E, da 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 da, A, da 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 da. Da 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 da, E, we've got a A. And then what I'm going to do then is the little bit of lead solo bit. Okay, so let's just get to that point. Okay, from the beginning, right from the intro. Okay, at the end we're just about to do the instrumental bit, the instrumental verse. Okay, so here we go. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you. Then I'm not so blue. When you're close to me, I can feel your heartbeat. I can hear you breathing in my ear. Wouldn't you agree, baby? You and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of love. Second verse. Anytime you want me, you can turn me on to anything you want to, anytime at all. When I taste your lips, oh, I start to shiver, can't control the quiver inside. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of love. And I stop there, and then just a bit of a minor pause, a little bit of a pause, and then repeat the intro. There's just a little bit extra on the end of it. Okay, so it's the same as before. Now, it's exactly the same up to that point where it goes. Normally you would have just gone like that for the intro, but this time do two sweeps. Two sweeps instead of one. Then open up the second string, take pinky off, play the open second string, then the third string, the second fret, right? Right, so it's and then back to the second fret of the third string. So it's okay, so it's after you come out of that E, because sorry. Okay, so it's coming out of that. Let's do the whole thing again. Right, so it stops on the A after the chorus, and it goes. Okay, so that extra bit is two sweeps on the A, open up the second string, then play the second fret of the third string, first fret of the third string, and then the second fret of the third string again, and then an E chord, twice if you like, two sweeps on the E chord, then it goes, and then it goes, when I'm in your arms, I'm going to B minor bit, okay? When I'm in your arms, nothing seems to matter, if no world would shatter, I don't care. So it's the end of the chorus bit. So B minor, C sharp minor, D, E, and then we're into the chorus bit again, okay? So let's just go through from the end of the second verse where it comes, got a groovy kind of love, you got a groovy kind of love. Stop, bit of a pause, and then the intro. When I'm in your arms, nothing seems to matter, if the world would shatter, I don't care. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of love. We got a just we've got a groovy kind of love twice, an extra line on it. Okay, so that's it. So for fun, let's go through the whole thing. Okay, here we go from the beginning. Let's try that again. I've messed up. I was just thinking of something else. Here we go. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you, and I'm not so blue. When you're close to me, I can feel your heartbeat, I can hear you breathing in my ear. Maybe you wouldn't agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of love. Second verse. Anytime you want to, you can turn me on to anything you want to, anytime at all. When I taste your lips, oh, I start to shiver, can't control the quiver inside. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We got a groovy kind of When I'm in your arms, baby, it doesn't matter if the world was shattered, I don't care. Wouldn't you agree, baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. We've got a groovy kind of love. We've got a groovy kind of love. Whoops. There you have it. So hopefully that'll help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.